Welcome to Maha's Kitchen Secrets. I'm all about food being quick, healthy and easy, and today I'm going to show you something to do with leftover rice. It's one of my kids' favorite dishes and it's called Dolsot Bap. It's Korean and it involves a hot stone bowl. If you don't have it, don't fret, it's okay. You can just do the whole thing in like stir fry it and you'll get the same flavors, maybe a different look, but the same flavors. I'm just gonna quickly blanch these carrots. It's gonna be literally less than 30 seconds. And I'm just gonna put it on the side of the plate. They're cut really, really thin. When it's thin, it's fast. Zucchini. That's done. Bean sprouts. And finally, spinach. I've got some baby leaf spinach. Step 2 is an egg. So I'm gonna fry an egg sunny side up. That's ready. I'm just gonna put it to the side and we'll come back to it later. I've got the stone bowl, it's been on the fire. It's hot, it's hot, it's hot. Sesame oil. I've got around a tablespoon. I'm gonna get my rice. And I've got shiitake mushrooms. These have been hydrated in hot water. The gochujang paste, which I love to have. It's spicy chili. Just a little bit on the top. And finally, it just goes on top. I'm gonna move it. Be careful, it's really hot. They normally mix it at the table for you. You can add beef to it. I opted for a vegetarian version because I have many followers saying I don't do enough vegetarian, so this is for you guys. I'm gonna put just a few onions on top and it's ready to serve.